Everyone, it's GCP Decode. In this video, we will discuss the solution for this lab. So after starting the lab, open your Google Cloud Console in incognito window. Then simply come on to task number 1. Copy this name, Cloud Run. Paste it here in Google Cloud Console search box. And then open this first option in new tab. Now click on this write a function. And for this service name, come back to lab instruction page. You will get this table in task number 1. Simply copy this name, paste it here, and for reason, in my case, it's US East 4. So I will simply select this US East 4. Okay, wait. Okay, so in my case, region 1 US East 4. So I have selected this. Now simply scroll down. You will get this option. So simply allow this first option, allow unauthenticated invocation. Then scroll down a little bit. Then click on this container volume, network and securities. Scroll down and then select this second generation and scroll down a little bit. You will get this maximum number of instance. So make it 5 and then simply click on create. Now wait for some time, and after when you will get this type of interface, then simply click on this save and redeploy. Okay, so this process will take some time. When you get green tick in all these 4 options, so we have completed with task number 1. After we will get the green tick in all these 4 options. So simply wait. Okay, so we have got the green tick in all these 4 options. So after getting the green tick in all these 4 options, simply click on this test and again come back to lab instruction page. Then come on to this task number 3, and from point number 2 of task number 3, copy this code message hello world and replace it with this line. Paste it here and then scroll down little bit. You will get this CLI test command. Copy this CLI test command and then click on test in Cloud Cell. Now click on continue. Then authorize. Now wait for some time. Okay, so after activating the Cloud Cell, simply once hit enter and then paste that CLI test command here and then press enter. Okay, so once this command get executed, then simply click on this logs and then minimize this Cloud Cell. Okay, now wait for some time. Okay, now come on to lab instruction page. Click on check my progress for each and every task. You will get the green tick here. So for task number 2, So we have got the green tick in task number 2. Now for task number 4. Okay, so we have got the green tick here in both the tasks, and it means we are completed with this lab. And if you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section. Now I can end this lab, and if you like the tutorial, then simply hit the like and subscribe button.